In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm on Expedia 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to split your travel costs into manageable payments right at checkout without any confusion. Start by shopping on Expedia just like you normally would. Browse flights, hotels, cars, or bundles, compare options, and review the details carefully. Pay attention to fair rules, cancellation policies, and whether your selection is pay now or pay later at the property, since Affirm typically applies to pay now purchases. Make sure your traveler information matches your government ID and that the total includes taxes and fees so there are no surprises later. When you're ready to check out, head to the payment page and select Affirm as your payment method. You'll be prompted to enter a few pieces of information so Affirm can give you a real-time decision. Keep your personal details consistent with your billing address and double-check the purchase total you're financing. Affirm will run a quick eligibility check and then show you what you qualify for based on your purchase and profile. Next, choose how you want to pay with Affirm. On Expedia, you'll see available options tailored to your trip amount, such as shorter, interest-free, pay-in-4 style plans, or monthly financing over a longer term when available. Read the summary carefully so you understand the payment schedule, any interest, and your first due date. If your travel date is soon, confirm that the first payment timing works for you. Select the payment plan that works best for your budget. Look at the monthly or bi-weekly amount, the total cost of the loan, and the final payment date. If you have the option, picking a shorter plan can help you pay less in interest overall. Make sure you're comfortable with the schedule before confirming, because your Expedia booking will be finalized based on the plan you choose. After your purchase is complete, making payments is straightforward. Affirm will show your upcoming due dates and send reminders. You can pay with a linked bank account or card, and you'll always see exactly what you owe. No hidden math. If anything changes with your trip, check the bookings policy and Affirm's terms to understand how refunds or adjustments are handled. For the easiest experience, download the Affirm app or sign in at affirm.com. From there, you can turn on autopay, manage notifications, track your Expedia purchase, and make one-time payments whenever you like. Keeping autopay enabled helps you stay on schedule and avoid any missed payments. That's it. Smooth, transparent financing for your next trip right from the Expedia checkout.